Lesson number 9. Past simple questions. Questions in the past simple are formed using did. For past simple questions with be, the subject and the verb was or were are swapped around. Look at these examples. They bought a new car. Did they buy a new car? The first sentence is a positive sentence. And in the statement, we use subject, then goes the main verb in the second form, past simple. But if you want to make a question in English about the past, you need an auxiliary verb, did. Auxiliary verb. Then goes the subject. Then you need the main verb of the sentence, which takes the base form. Look at these two examples. She visited her parents last week. That is a positive sentence. We have the second form of the verb, which ends with ed ending. But if you want to make your question, you need auxiliary verb. But you also have the question word, who. In this case, the question word takes the first place, then goes an auxiliary verb, then you have subject, and then you have base form of the main verb. How to form? One more time. Did, auxiliary verb, takes the first place if we are talking about questions in the past. Then goes the subject, they, you, he, she, it, whatever. Then you need the base form of the verb. In our case, that is buy. Then goes the rest of the sentence. And we have, did they buy a new car? Don't forget about your intonation. It goes up. Did they buy a new car? Let's practice a little bit with the further examples. Did they have a good time? Did you read a book on the beach? Did Ray drink all the milk? Where did she meet her friends? When did he go to the gym? Why did you buy so much food? Questions in the past simple with be. We have two sentences, positive and question sentence. She was excited. We have subject, then we have our verb, but in the past form, was. But if you want to make your sentence a question sentence, you just change the places for to be verb and your subject. So was takes the first place and she, your subject, takes the second place. The same holds true for you. You were excited. Were you excited? Intonation goes up. How to form? Was, were takes the first place. Then goes your subject. Then you have the rest of the sentence. So you can say, was I excited? Were you excited? Was she excited? Were they excited? Let's read further examples. Was he good at playing tennis? Were they surprised by you? Why was she late for the party? What was the song called? Was there any cake at the party? Were we the last ones to arrive? What were the lectures about? What was the weather like? Let's practice. Past simple questions. You have two columns. The first one is about positive sentences and the second column is about questions. And we should match our positive sentences with question sentences. You sold your house recently. Did you sell your house recently? Salvador won the lottery. So, did Salvador win the lottery? Don't forget, base form. Peter took a shower earlier. Did Peter take a shower earlier? Base form. They drank all the juice. The second form. So, did they drink all the juice? Nick washed the dishes. Did Nick wash the dishes? Sam bought a sports car. Did Sam buy a sports car? They built a new house. Did they build a new house? Let's match the pictures to the correct questions. Were you at the party last night? Let's find the sentence for the first picture. Was it very windy on the island? Island, S is silent. Number 2. How was your band practice yesterday? And last one. Why was Xander late for the meeting? We have to rewrite the sentences, putting the words in the correct order. Number 1. Did you take the dog for a walk? Did you take a dog for a walk? Number 2. How did you get home last night? How did you get home last night? Number 3. What food? Now, what was the food like in Greece? What was the food like in Greece? Now, let's rewrite the sentences, correcting the errors. Why you were both so late for work this morning? So, the first place takes question word, why. Then we need where. Why were you both so late for work this morning? Number 2. Were Katie pleased with the present you got her? Katie, we can replace Katie with the pronoun she, and for she, he, it, I, we need was. Was Katie pleased with the present you got her? Number 3. Did you took any good photos while you were on vacation? It is a question sentence. It is a question sentence. It is in the past. To make questions, we need auxiliary verb, did, we have it. Then goes the subject, we also have it. Then we should have the base form of the verb, but we have the second form. We don't need it. So, did you take any good photos while you were on vacation? What the weather was like while you were in Greece? We have question word, what, then we need auxiliary, what was. the weather like while you were in Greece? Number 5. Where you did buy that lovely suit, Vincent? Where did you buy that lovely suit, Vincent? This is it for today. Thank you for being with me. See you next time. Bye.